Using Yenka 3D shapes, you can design your own nets from 2D shapes and fold them into 3D shapes. Here we'll create a net for a cylinder. Start by dragging 2 circles from the 2D shapes folder onto the screen. Double-click on one of the circles to open its properties pane. Take a note of the circumference. You will need this to make sure the net has the correct dimensions. Check that both circle circumferences are the same. Next, drag a rectangle from the 2D shapes folder onto the screen. Position it between the 2 circles. Before you connect them together, double-click on the rectangle and change its height so that it equals the circle's circumferences. Drag the circles towards the rectangle and a purple square will appear. This shows a hinge has been formed. Rotating the view can help when folding your shapes. Click on one of the circles and orange circles will appear at its edge. Drag on one of these to fold the circle upwards. Then do the same with the other circle. Select the rectangle and click on one of the orange circles that appears. When you drag the rectangle inwards, you will see it automatically curves round. When you have folded all the sides of your shape, double-click on your new 3D shape to open its properties pane. Under Actions, select Convert to Shape. This lets Yenka know that you've created a 3D shape, and it will now treat it as such, instead of treating it as a net. The Properties pane now shows that you have made a cylinder. You can now edit properties such as height and width using the Properties pane. You can also automatically flatten and fold your shape using the options in the Properties pane. The size of your shape can still be flattened manually.